We talk about how can you search for music on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out this relation or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to search for songs. So all you have to do, so you go down here, just click here on search here down. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And here you will find here all music you uh, trans here, or here can you search for songs here. And here can you select categories in this list like you see here on your Audiomack. Then here you select country you're looking for here, any music here. It's going to show for you here any country you want to looking for music. So then it's going to show for you in this list here on your Audiomack app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you know I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.